Okay, everybody. So here's our first Utexas Big Three type of question, and we are given a few things. So let's just list our givens to start with. We have 8.3 seconds, so we're going to list that right there. We have 1.9 meters per second squared. Now your numbers will be different than mine. Okay, so keep track of that, but you'll just change your numbers for my numbers for yours. We see rest. The word rest means 0. So we have 0 meters per second. Okay. And we see how far does it travel. So how far does it travel means something about distance. And we could say how far is final position. We could also say it's displacement. We want to keep our options open, so we do both. We write both down there. All right, then we look at our units. We see seconds. Seconds is time. Meters per second squared is acceleration. Meters per second is velocity. And since it's starting, we can say that's initial velocity. Okay, so now we're going to ask ourselves two questions to eliminate the other two equations. The first question I ask is, do I see a how far, an xf/d in my list of givens? And even though this is a question mark, that counts. An unknown is something that we count to pick the right equation. So the answer is yes. This top equation has nothing to do with how far. There's no xf or d in it, so we can cross that out. So we only have two other equations to pick. Next question I ask is, do I see time on my list of givens? And I do. The second equation doesn't have anything to do with time, so that's gone also. So the only equation we can pick is the big ugly. All right. Now, we're going to cross things out. If I don't ask for or give you initial position, it's 0. Okay? Initial velocity is 0. Anything times 0 is 0. So that's gone as well. So now the only thing we have left is 1/2 at squared. All right? So now we can plug it in. 1/2 a is 1.9 and t is 8.3. Okay, notice that the t is the only thing squared, not the whole thing. Okay, if you had to put it in a calculator and one line of your calculator, you do 0.5 for the 1/2 times 1.9 times your 8.3 squared, and you'll get the right answer.